Look at it. It's big. The silos are huge. Oh yeah, you can't really see the screens with sunlight. Can you? Concrete make it big. Is it? We're gonna get wet. Yes. Wow. Yeah, it's insane.
Extraction status.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Fluid flow to Toxicator storage tanks. Steady.
No queue jumping.
Increase by 50%.
Wow. I can't wait to get on this. I think it's going to be awful though. And I'm probably going to hate every moment of it. But we've got to do it once, right? Are you excited?
Very, very.
I'm going to puke. And it's a big queue line. Oh, wow. Adam, it's gone. Where's the blade? It's gone. The queue. I'm so glad that we got into the queue a lot earlier than this, to be honest. I mean, look at this. It's insane. There it is. The blade is gone. No more. 44 years, and it's gone.
Oh, you made it on there.
We're going all the way down to the toilet block. They're just showing us the sky ride that we can't have yet. But you get to take in some scenic views. Look at this. Wow. Hiya. We're probably about halfway. I don't actually know. It depends if there's cattle pen anywhere. Oh no, we're all right. So you just touched the toilets. It's gonna make about a 10-minute video just as a queue line. Very, yeah, very excited. I mean, it looks a hell of a lot bigger than what I actually like. The closer you get to it, the bigger you realise it is. So this is the first time. Seen it from outside the gates. We got to watch it like shadows from outside the gates. Yeah, can I get out the queue now?
That's just edging you. Get edged on top. We are literally halfway through. This is just the same station. Let's just dive one. Here we
Somebody lost a shoe. Yeah.
Not my shoe.
So just be careful when you stood in the queue. There's a lot of splash zones. There are signs for them. I thought the sign was taking a mick, to be honest. I didn't realise.
I thought it was just kind of a demon thing.
Literally,
You
but-
actually get so you actually
Yeah.
get quite well.
It's awful. Look. Oh, big silo, red liquid. That's actually the operator's cabin. Look at that. Wow. How cool. John B. Yeah, locker 04.
We go upstairs to our death. Oh my god. We're probably on 4th or 5th cycle now. And we're about to go into wow.
You with the 5? Yeah. That's fine. How many?
Nowhere near as intense as what everybody was saying it was going to be, right? I genuinely think that was like nothing. I've had way
Yeah, a lot of
worse,
people
right?
have been like saying it's very intense. It is intense.
Yeah.
But it's not as intense as what people make it out to be.
And there's going to obviously be quite a few different cycles, isn't there? So we'll see.
Yeah, I mean, I think they've said something about having it maybe 9 or 10 cycles, I think.
Yeah. So there's plenty for it to be. It could be on a shorter cycle today. I don't know. It felt like quite a long time that we were on
I
it
mean,
for as well,
we
which is
queued
nice.
Not even that long. I think we counted about 4 or 5 cycles before we got
Yeah,
onto it. It's
yeah.
like
We weren't in there for very long. I mean, what's the time now? It,
It,
it's now 10:15. So we've technically been queuing for about an hour and a half, right? Roughly. Yeah. Not bad at all.
Yeah, that is good.
Not bad at all. And I mean, now the queues are up to 3 to 4 hours long, which is
So that's probably
insane.
our ride for the day.
An idea how many people there are on opening day for. Bear in mind, it's only a flat ride as well. It's absolutely crazy, right? Let me get up here. Ugh. Look at this. There's a queue for the shop. I mean, wow. We've seen all sorts of creators here. I mean, there's Mr. Digitalized Daniel in front of us. We've seen on the tracks as well, off the tracks, sorry. Coaster Dog's been spotted around. It's just been really good to talk to a bunch of enthusiasts that we obviously all share the same love for theme parks and rides and everything. So it's really nice. To see Theme Park Worldwide somewhere in the queue. I think he's quite far back though. But yeah, I mean, look at it. Yeah, the operator's cabin's
Yeah, it's in the
literally
silo.
in one of the silos, yeah. Which is really cool. Still can't believe how many people there are here for an opening day. In such a small space, there's so many people here. Crazy. I must admit, it's weird seeing nothing here now with the recent removal of the blade. So this would have been the queue line for it, and now there's nothing in the pit. And you've also got the queue for Toxicator, which is insane. So about 140 minutes at the moment, and it's only 10:30. I think we're in for a fairly busy day at the park anyways. Just another angle of the pit of where the blade used to sit. I think it'd be great to see some sort of pendulum swing in it. I mean, I don't know if it's the right amount of space. I mean, it's a huge footprint, so Yeah, you can see the new Toxicator in the background as well. Big, intermittent gyro swing. Look at that. Delayed by another month. Typical Towers fashion. At least they were somewhat transparent about it not being open before the day of the opening day. It was kind of a week before they told us, so it's not too bad when you think about it that way. But either way, it's a massive accessibility thing just taken away from the park. The Cursor Manor is beautiful. Should we go play with Emily?
It's 5 minutes, so we could.
Yes. I'm getting wet. 90-minute queue for the Wicker Man today. Wow. Absolutely crazy. I must admit, the lawns look so much nicer without the main stage there. Also, there was some food stalls here as well. I just think it looks way better when it's empty like this. You can't take in the beauty of the towers a bit more. A7. We're now heading up to the land of the closed rides, which is great. Over here at Hex, where it's another ride that hasn't opened for the start of the 2025 season. Obviously, they did post, along with the Sky Ride and a couple of other rides, that this will be returning in April. No idea when in April, but we'll get it back in April. Just another shot of the Sky Ride for you with its painted up supports. Lovely. And there's the best coaster in the park, Rita. And this is also one of the best places to actually see some of 13's tracks, as you can see there. It's going around testing currently, so nobody's on it. But yeah, you can see the first shop and some of the bits in the forest. This bit of the park feels so neglected. I mean, we've got the burger kitchen over here. It's open, but I mean, it's 11:30 now. There's literally nobody over here whatsoever. I mean, the Sky Ride's looking really good, painted up and everything. A7's looking really good as well. So yeah, we're just gonna go check out the dungeons. Land of the Dead in the dungeons. Interesting. Leave it up 5 months after Scarefest is over. Lovely. Typical Towers, really. But what it's on about is Project Horizon, and there being some markings around the area for it, which is interesting. Could it mean Project Horizon's queue line, perhaps? Or are they just going to do something to the dungeons? Who really knows? There's quite a few markings around. If anybody actually knows what these mean, please do let me know, because I've got no idea. Yeah. The other thing as well is I've just left this giant board out here, which obviously this was here for the dungeons, to advertise the dungeons. But this whole area is just very dead now. It really needs some life pumped back into it. But we're gonna go check out the world of David Williams. So Flavio's has gone. You're loud, shush. Well, Flavio's over here. It's finally been removed at the end of the season. It's quite a good footprint for a new ride. It'd be great if they can get something here. To be fair, this was one of the only ones that I thought actually fitted into the whole theme of the world of David Williams. It made sense, but obviously it's now gone, and we are left empty. So, but this whole area seems like it's had a bit of love with some repaints on some of the buildings. I mean, we've got this giant cinema here as well. It's just not used at all. It's such a waste of space.